Esau cannot be the white male if his father is Isaac, according to "you are what your father is" doctrine. The biological makeup of what makes a person human stems from both the indigenous male and the indigenous female. Israelites, you cannot crossbreed with an evolved Neanderthal and believe you are duplicating yourself, nor consider what was born from a sinful union to be holy. The Most High will not accept the abomination. The scripture said a bastard cannot enter the Most High's congregation. Crossbreeding is forbidden.